Hi everyone. I just took apart my steam mop, Shark steam mop, and this is the model for S3501. It would get hot, but no steam was coming out, and I just took it apart and I found this right here was out, and it's supposed to be hooked onto this little valve right here. And so I'm just going to put it back together, and hopefully it will work. I love this thing. I had it for for less than 3 months, and it just started just dripping water and not steaming like it should. So now that I've found the problem, I don't have the right tools, so I just made use of other things to try to get the screws out. So hopefully this will, as soon as I put this back on, attached to this, it should be working again, because that's the only thing I see that was wrong with it. And everything else, well, I'm not a professional or anything, but, I mean, come on, this does not seem like it should be out of place like this anyway, so. And then when I pump this, air is coming out of this, so I guess this is probably, it should be attached. So, now that I figured it out, I'm going to fix it up, and I'm going to reuse it again, and like get into it again. So I just wanted you guys to see what I was doing, and if your steam Shark steam mop is hot, you can feel it in the back, and the light is on, and it's not it's dripping over here and stuff. It's nothing right here. It's just probably got it disattached or something from inside, so you have to take it apart and figure it out. I asked my husband to do it, but he didn't do it. But I was just bored today, and I just wanted to figure out what was wrong with it, because I really love this mop. So closer look, you see that's what's detached and stuff. So, and everything else looks great. So thanks for watching. Bye.